ulit. Great, sir. Great. My current rockstar is Frybait. As a Frybait, you will be allowed to guard the West Gate to direct civilians from West Gate to South Gate for interviews. Orbit 13 is non-function like roleplay. The moment you become a soldier, you need to act and behave as one at all times. Failure to do so is Orbit 13. RP14 is a sexual harassment but includes all forms of harassment, discrimination against race, religion, and sex, gender, etc. Sir, the five base rules. Number one is AFK. You must answer radio, base, and base check even while on vacation. Do not leave your device logout. Number two, do no driving on base without permission from a general. This includes spawning vehicles. Number three, no lawful shooting or tasing of soldiers, civilians, CD, or anyone. Number four, respect all soldiers, especially the high ranks. Number five, leaving base without permission, you must be accompanied by general. Roger that, sir. Here we go, sir. Yes, sir. Over there, sir. Over there. Hey. Over there. Over here, sir.
Hold on, Dakota.
Anybody else
Damn,
run
you're
your
all illegal.
territories?
Damn.
Southgate. Over there. Right there, sir. What's that, sir? Right there, sir. Over there. Roger that, sir. Thank you, sir.